So as the world does watch all this violence unfold in Israel and in Gaza in real time, it all happens on social media. Violent and graphic images flood various platforms and apps, sometimes without warning, sometimes as you're just scrolling through, and it's something researchers warn can take a toll on your mental health. So our Renata Gregorio is on your side right now with how you can stay informed, which of course is important, while keeping you and your own child's mental health top of mind.
Many of you tell us you're constantly praying for family and friends, but even if you don't have a personal connection, your social media may be inundated with these images of war. With images of violence and at times graphic content from the Israel-Hamas war flooding social media.
It's a whole lot of bombing, but I've been seeing a whole lot of war being pushed out lately.
My TikTok and stuff.
People say it's difficult to balance staying informed and managing mental health. One study examining the impacts of exposure to graphic images following the September 11th attacks finds people suffered physical and psychological effects as if they were exposed to the trauma directly.
And then I got my little baby over there.
Linnea Thomas says some videos stay in her mind.
Anything with the human trafficking that I've been seeing going on around it, because I have a little girl and she's 6 and she's so trusting in the entire world.
Licensed clinical social worker Colleen Rodriguez, who is the CEO of LJD Jewish Family and Community Services, says pay attention to if you need a break from social media and discuss with your kids what they're seeing online. Teenagers can spend 8.5 hours on social media a day, according to the nonprofit Common Sense Media.
As a parent, you really need to limit what your children can take in, their ability to process depending on their age and their developmental level. What are they able to take in, and making sure that we're seeing what our kids are seeing.
Rodriguez says some youth group leaders are reaching out to her organization, asking for therapists to be present during their conversations about the war. Renata Gregorio, First Coast News, on your side.